Hello, friends. Hope you all are fine. I wanted to share few points which I feel they are very useful for me. I hope they will help. They will help you also a lot. Yesterday, I came to know a good difference between life and lifestyle. I felt very fascinating. What I mean by that is, God has given us everything basic necessities what we need to live. But what we are all need to do is to work for our lifestyle. So, lifestyle depends upon our individual personalities. What I mean by we need to work for our lifestyle is how each one is different nowadays, how people differ is based on what we want to achieve in our life. Based on that only our lifestyle depends. So there is a person who don't want anything in life. There's a person who want to achieve a lot of things in his life. You may want to travel the whole world, or you may want it to have a successful business. You may want to have a peaceful mind of situations without any disturbance, stress. You may want to be in a position to help others. You want to have happy and successful life, peaceful life. You may want to able to fulfill your commitments, requirements, responsibilities. What I believe, what I mean to share with you is we should be able to reach our full potential. We should be in a position to improve ourselves, upskill ourselves. We should not hesitate to grow ourselves. We should not be just satisfied with what we have. We should strive for what we can be. If Bill Gates does not think he wanted to build a big company, we don't have computers, all these technologies would have been 100 years back. Is it not correct? If Mukesh Ambani ji has not brought this great infrastructure of Geo, would have been struggling with data. Like we have to spend a lot of money to get data, and in this corona time, imagine if you need to spend 5,000, 10,000 rupees for data which we are using right now. Can you imagine the situation? In this pandemic situation, what would have been our situation where we don't have smartphones, mobile phones, we are unable to connect with other people, given the nuclear families nowadays. What I mean is, we need to definitely try to reach our full capability. It's a fault if we underachieve, and at the same time, I don't suggest to burn yourself in the name of success. To don't sacrifice your personal life, your family life, and struggle and get into unnecessary risks. So, what I suggest is what I feel and what I follow is there should be a balance. If you don't take any risk, it is a big risk. So, you cannot understand the threats which may come to you, and you cannot realize the possibilities, opportunities lurking around you, new trends. You cannot recognize the opportunities. You may miss great opportunities. The change of cycle change is drastically decreasing, and it will create a lot of pressure on all of us. And what I mean by that is, few decades back, a change cycle, to complete its cycle, it needs 30 years, 25 years. But nowadays, because of artificial intelligence and new technologies, a person become rich or poor within 5 to 10 years. So that is what I mean by change cycle. So things will be changing very fast. If you are not able to catch the trends, will not be at the top position. A company or a person will not be in a top position forever. And a person who is able to upgrade himself fast, he will catch up the trend and surpass you. One thing of caution nowadays is we are flooded with a lot of information. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. Lot of grass, you cannot find a small needle. You might have heard about the proverb. So like that, whatever you want, there is a lot of information. But what you have to realize is we have only 24 hours. Out of that, out of where we have to spend time for sleep and for our personal responsibilities, very few much time is available for us. So it is of paramount important to schedule ourselves and realize that we should use the time we have very carefully. What I mean by that is whom you follow, from advice what we have, from whom we take, the books we follow, the people we follow, learn. Like we need to constantly upgrade ourselves, your industry knowledge, and what are the industries and trends and other factors which are going to impact your industry or your business, and how you improve yourself personally. Based on your interests, you need to constantly work on improving yourself as a person, because whatever you do as a person, if you don't improve, it will not have positive impact or huge impact in your growth success. And what I do is I try to learn from interviews. Like recently I heard the interview of Winnie Cosmetics, who has founded the product Fog, who has the product which has taken on the big MNCs, international MNCs, and established itself in the Indian market and proved itself. Like I have watched his interviews recently, the strategies, the mindset, the planning. So based on your interest, so I suggest you all to try to follow some people, and I follow some books. I try to get some summary or a few tips of some good books. I always make a list whenever I find time. I try to get some snippets of those books which will be helpful for us. Like they should be helpful for us in the next 5 steps, and they should be able to guide us in the future. So that's how I plan which books, the books, the books suggested by people whom I follow and who I feel I resonate with, they will be helpful for me. So like that I follow E-Myth and so many other books and interviews, and I do learn from trainings which are conducted by my Vestage business. A lot of trainers are there who give a lot of training about the products and about improving personality, how to improve yourself, present yourself, develop yourself, product knowledge and personal knowledge. So like that I plan. Previously I used to watch a lot of movies and read a lot of newspapers, but I gradually reduced that time. So I plan, I do watch movies, but not in the frequency of previous days, because I find more valuable content on the net. I search and follow their videos, learn about network marketing and personality development, improving myself, public speaking, all those things. So based on your situation, I would suggest to cater some time wherever you are, whether you are a server or you are a CEO. Definitely there is a room for improvement. We should not ignore that fact. So I hope this is information is useful for you. and if anyone is interested in Vestige business, you can contact me. I'll keep the details in the description box. Thank you.